Due to the constant remarks that we've been getting and the query which has been raised, I take this opportunity to explain the tagline that is today visible on most of the autos and taxis in Delhi. Uh, this auto respects women or this taxi respects women is the tagline for our campaign Barabari Ki Dagar Surakshit Safar, an initiative to gender sensitize the auto and taxi drivers in Delhi. Uh, there are two reasons why this tagline has been chosen and why the auto is being branded, and not it is not mentioned that it is the driver who's gender sensitized. Firstly, in Delhi, a single auto is not consistently driven by one driver. It could be that 3 or 4 drivers drive a vehicle in rotation. But to clarify, at least one of the drivers who has brought in the vehicle for fitness or one who has got his license renewed has been gender sensitized. Secondly, once the IEC material is placed on the auto, that is, the sticker or the branding is done, it creates a social responsibility on anybody who's driving the auto. It could be one of the gender sensitized drivers or the one who has not been trained, thereby making him accountable to behave in a certain way, to at least be answerable if asked, why do you have this tagline on your vehicle and what is the reason for it. I hope I am able to satisfy some of the queries that have been raised regarding this. Thank you.